Hello everyone, welcome to today's live training. We are going to get started in a minute, but before I do, let me welcome people in. If you're here watching live, hashtag live so I can see where you're tuning in from. So drop your location, and also if you're watching this later on the replay, hashtag replay. That'll bring it back to the top of the Facebook group so that people can enjoy this training as well. My name is Angie Norris. I'm a power user of ClickDesigns, and I love coming in here every single week showing you what I'm using ClickDesigns for, how you can use it, new feature updates, things that are coming out in the templates that are just mind-blowing that you guys can use in your everyday business very easily by pointing, clicking, and editing it, and then boom, you have an epic design within minutes. So I love it, and I hope you guys do too. You guys loving ClickDesigns? Yeah, drop that in the comments if you're loving ClickDesigns. I'm loving it, and I use it every single day in my business and in my clients' businesses, and I just love it. So today we're going to be talking about freelancer sites, and why is that important is because freelancer sites are really great for if you are going to make money with ClickDesigns. What if you can take these designs that you're creating and put them out there to the world to showcase, and then people hire you to create logos, mock-ups, business mock-ups, right, with the multiple devices, or maybe it's banners, social media, presentations. I can go on and on and on. There's multiple things you can make inside of ClickDesigns that you can also offer as a service and make money. So if you are interested in that, this training is for you. As we get started here, I want to see in the comments, is anyone doing freelancing right now? Have you guys put some of your mock-ups and designs onto like Upwork or Etsy or Fiverr, any of those things? Because I would love to see if anyone has actually made any of these graphics and put them onto Upwork or Etsy or let's see, Fiverr. There's lots of to choose from, right? So if you have done that, please drop that in the comments. I would love to see. Awesome. That's so cool. So I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do that today. Make some extra money with your new designs with ClickDesigns, and let's get started here. I'm going to jump into the software. Inside my demo account, I first want to show you where to go to find some templates for Upwork and Fiverr and some other things. So if you click on templates at the top menu bar, scroll over to marketing, and on this menu bar right here, you'll see all of the social profiles, YouTube, presentation, and now you want to click Fiverr right here. Now, as you can see, there are some in here already for you to go. So you can go logo design, bundle designs, report covers. These are things you can create inside of ClickDesigns. Now, I'm going to take these and we're going to make them pop. And then there's also another tab for Upwork. Now, there are so many things you can do inside of ClickDesigns. So why not use those to your advantage? So if you are wanting to get into the side hustle of making some extra money on Fiverr, offering your graphic design services, you can. So I'm going to show you that first. And then I'll show you that you can use any skill you have. So if you are a social media manager, if you're a content writer, if you provide other kinds of graphic services, if you do web development, video editing, voiceover services, you're a VA or virtual assistant, digital marketing consulting, illustrations, translation services, and you guys know by going to Fiverr, the list goes on and on and on and on. And it is so great because you can make some extra money on Fiverr or Upwork, and I'm going to show you some things in here. Now, one of my favorite things to do is create bundles, and what's great is Mo has given you the permission. Now, Mo is the creator, the founder of ClickDesigns. He's given you permission to go out here and just grab the things that are already there. So here are some templates. Why don't we just go ahead and start with one? And I'm going to show you what I mean. So these logos right here, right? So if I wanted to use this one, and these are really cool right here, and I want to add myself. So I'm going to delete that guy. Go to image, look at my inventory. I have some here. How about this one? I can take out the background and then put myself down on the lower corner here like this, right? Now, if I want to change these to my colors, I can, or I can use an AI image editor, or I can go to background and find something. I can do a gradient, I can find an image, we can search the library. Maybe I want it to be city. Let's just see what comes up. Let's go to search actually and type city and look for some buildings. I love putting backgrounds a bit like this one is a great one. So if I wanted this to be on there, I'm going to take out this background and there's the city. Now I'm going to add another shape and add this one right here. And you're just going to see how my brain works and how I like to create things kind of from scratch where you can do some pretty cool stuff. So I'm going to grab my gradient colors here. I kind of like that. Might just keep that for now. And then if you do the opacity, so you can do opacity like this, right? Now let's move myself up like this. So I'm on top. And we're going to move this down here just like that. Let's keep going all the way down. We're going to go all the way to the back. All right, and then let's look for this. Oh, it's a background. Okay, perfect. So you see that I've added a background that kind of looks businessy, and if I want, I can change the colors. Maybe I want them to be a little bit darker, so I can add something like this to make it kind of a cooler looking feel, and add it like this. So see how it's back there, but it's not real evident, so it kind of adds some cool features. And then you're just going to move yourself around, whatever, and I will change this to my colors like that. Change this to white. So I'm showing you this because I want you to see that you can use whatever you want. So maybe I want it to be cool logo design or something like this. Make this a little smaller, right? Okay, now what I want to do is I'm going to change out some of these logos because we don't need to create our own, because guess what? ClickDesigns has a ton already, and you can change that to white. So I will do logo design, right? So let's move this down, put this right up. Let's move that up. Where are you? I'll put that right there and move that like this. Bold that. Okay, I will do logo design. Okay, cool. And you like these, maybe not. And if you want, you can change out all of these little colors to your own. So if I wanted to do all of them, I could. Or maybe I want them to be dark. You can decide, right? So I'm just going to keep it like that. Now, how do you find designs? Well, here's what you do. You go to designs on the left toolbar, click on templates. Now, if you have your own like this, I have a couple that I've already created. You just click use and start adding them here. So I could do this. Now, if I wanted to, I could take out all of these backgrounds, right? But I'm not going to. I'm just going to start to add some more here. Click on designs. Let's use this one. And you might have to add some backgrounds to them like this. So if I wanted to grab this, I can copy and duplicate that. Oh, wrong one. Let's grab this one. Yep, there you go. And put that right behind there like this. And you can probably keep it that color. That's not a terrible color. Or you can change it to something else, kind of like that. Right? So you get the idea. You can add whatever you want to your design. But I'm showing you that you can customize it. So you can add your own. Now, what if you wanted to add some that ClickDesigns have made? You just click on Designs on the left toolbar, click on Templates, and then go down to Logos. Let's see, where's the logos? They're missing. Oh, right here. I missed them. And you can find some logos here. So you just click Use. And if I want, I can corner the edges. See how I cornered the edges? And you can add even more to make it look cooler. Maybe I don't want it to be square. I can go up here and crop. So I'm just showing you all the capabilities of what you can do here to make your thing pop, right? So pretty cool. You can put that maybe like this. You can start adding a little bit more. Maybe let's add one more and then we'll move on. So let's go down here to something, how about this one? And again, I can corner the edges by clicking corner radius, moving that a little bit more. Go up here, I can crop by moving these little blue sizers on the side and making it smaller. So not hard at all, right? And you just keep adding. And I can make this really cool looking, add that to my portfolio in Fiverr. Okay, that was pretty cool. So again, let me go back. Templates. Go over here to marketing. Click on Fiverr or Upwork. And you can go in here and you can add all the things that are inside of ClickDesigns that already exist. And they're adding things every single day. So you could make one of these for every single thing inside of ClickDesigns. What do I mean by that? You can go over here and look and make a list. You can click logos. You can go to box shots, right? And underneath box shots, you'll see all of these that you can use. Covers. There's 3 different things that you can create a graphic for to showcase in your portfolio. Books, reports, magazines, sheets. There's 3 different things. Worksheets, checklists, cheat sheets, devices. There are lots of devices, and you know people love mock-ups. So monitors, laptops, tablets, phone, watches, scenes. You can do a separate one. If you did a separate one for each one, wow, you would have so much. And just keep going for mock-ups, bundles, illustrations, annotations, backgrounds, funnels, marketing. I mean, in funnels alone, there are hundreds of things you can do. Look at that list. You can create these for other people and make money. Now, I want to shift gears a little bit, so I'm going to show you one last thing underneath marketing, Fiverr and Upwork, right? So you can create a little portfolio of different things that you're willing to offer, maybe that you're doing with ClickDesigns, or maybe you're doing with other things. And if you have the agency feature in your ClickDesigns, you can add that client to the agency features. You can add folders for them to dedicate to them. You can share that whole folder for them. The other thing, you can watermark. What does that mean? It means that when I export this design, I can actually add my own logo across it before they pay. So it shows them an example of what they're going to get, but they can't use it because it has your watermark of your logo on it, or it can add the ClickDesigns watermark if you don't have a logo. And then they can buy, and then you send them the real design. And so that is pretty neat. And the other thing just to mention is that if they love what you're doing so nicely and they say, hey, I would love to learn how you're making those, you can just share the templates with them. And then when they upgrade to ClickDesigns, you as an affiliate can make the commission. So that's another option as well. So I've showed you Fiverr and Upwork templates here that are ready to go. Just change these out, add your own picture, add your own words, and boom, ready. Now let's talk about you. Each one of you have a passion. I would love in the comments for you guys to write down your passion. What are you known for? What do you deliver to people? What information, what expertise, what is your passion point on any topic that you can think of? That's what I want you to type into the comments here. And you can offer that on Fiverr. If you go out to Fiverr, so let me type fiverr.com, and you go out here and you click explore. You can, or let's see here, let's discover inspiring projects, right? Or you can just type in a service here and type it in. So there's lots of popular ones, but maybe it is video and you're creating videos for people, right? You can go out here and get some inspiration. You can make all of these types of things by using the thumbnails inside of ClickDesigns. So let me show you that real fast. Come in here and you'll click on thumbnails and you'll see a very similar thing here, right? Like, look, these people, they have the thumbnail covers. You can make those. You can add the graphics. You can do so many things with ClickDesigns. It makes it so easy and fast. And I've used ClickDesigns so much lately that I'm telling you, they just keep adding bigger, better, badder. All right. So what is my point of your passion? You can type in your passion up here, whether you're someone in the graphic and design. Look at all of those things that you can offer. Programming and tech, digital marketing. Maybe you want to create, maybe you're an e-com specialist and you want to create graphics for e-com. Guess what? You can do that in ClickDesigns. You can go over here to the, let's see, to the packaging, and maybe you're going to offer that you can make these right here. Wouldn't that be very cool? Okay, why don't we make something for that specifically? So if we go over to marketing, I'm going to click on Upwork this time just to kind of change it up, and let's look at this. Okay, I am going to do this one. Let's click, and these are great logos, right? But what if I want to change these out to e-com? Let's do this. And we're going to easily do this. We're going to click ClickDesigns. Click on templates. Go down to packaging right here. And you'll see all of the cool ones. You can offer this as a service, right? You can just start clicking a bunch of these, right? Just at random, just click that you can actually make all of these things for them. So if you want, you can make sure that you select an array of different types. So maybe a supplement bottle, maybe you have the protein powder here, and you just keep going and you have different kinds of things that you're going to be able to be creating labels for, right? And let's click some lotion. Okay, so let's get these situated here. So we've got some lotion right here. We've got a supplement bottle right here. And you just, organize them however you would like. We've got a serum. So let's push this here. So you don't have to actually change out anything. You can use what ClickDesigns already has to showcase the possibilities because their stuff is already pretty cool. Here's a coffee pouch like this. We already have a lotion. We can delete that one. We don't have a, do we have protein? No, we don't have a protein powder yet, so we can put that right here. And you can keep going, right? So let's just grab one more and just click view more. And just keep looking for something new. Now, if you can't find something you're looking for, all you have to do is search for it. So if I go up here to the top and I type in box. Okay, there's no boxes, but let's go look and find these boxes here because I know they're in there. Let's go down here to apparel, covers, prints, publishing. I know packaging has boxes, so maybe it's not titled box. Maybe it is bag. Oh, here we go. Yep. Okay, I knew there was something in here. Okay, so maybe even these shopping bags, right? So you can click on maybe this one. I like that one. So this just will showcase that you will do these types of things. Now, it doesn't really have any words, so why don't we add some words? So let's make this one smaller. Let's make that one here. Let's make that one smaller, and we're going to add a bar right here. So click on shape, click on one of those shapes, so rectangle, and we're going to move that right here. What color do we want to make that? I like how all the pastels. So what would be good? Something dark. in the green, maybe it's red. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's just do that one and then add some text. So the text that we can add could be something to talk about. I will design 3D packaging mockups for your brand. Oops, I cannot type. Yikes. Okay, so there we go. So pretty easy, right? And if you wanted to go a step further, you can add your own image. So I can go to here, or you can click on cutouts and find someone who is already doing some cool stuff like this one. And we can add her down here at the bottom, so we can move this around. So you can get creative. Do it however you want to do it. You can make these look as cool as you want or as simple as you want. That's the beauty of this. So you can do that. That looks pretty good. I would use it. Maybe I want to add, 2 to each one. And like I said, all you have to do is just go in here and look for whatever you want to add, right? So packaging, so we can click use here and add it, right? So anyway, you get the idea. So that's pretty easy, pretty basic. And then you just go to Fiverr, you create your ad, and then in your portfolio, you add all of these things. And I'm telling you, people are making money. We know some use cases of people who use ClickDesigns who are making money. So let's go ahead and click save and click exit. So I made 2 there, but I could make a ton if I wanted to, right? And you can look in here and look at the stuff that you've already created and say, I will create you a memo, right? A memo book here. I will create a custom box. You can use your own stuff. Like I will create this e-com graphics, or I will create these event graphics, right? There are so many things. I'll create you a magazine. I will create your business card. So you can go through here and look at the stuff you're doing. I will create your funnel graphics. I will create your cover graphics for your tutorials. You guys getting the idea of how many things that you could do? You can do so many. I will create AI. That's the popular thing, right? So if you wanted to, you could go up here, click on templates, or why don't we start from scratch? So click blank canvas, continue. Let's do 1920 by 1080. I just kind of like starting with that because you can always resize it down. And then we can create from scratch. So let's go to a background here. Or actually, let's click on templates. We're going to go down to the thumbnails. Let's click on thumbnails. And I'm going to find something really cool. How about this one? So let's go ahead and use, and that one's pretty cool, right? So I could just use this as is, or if I want to just make a couple changes, I can click on designs and click on edit, and you can just add some simple words. So how about I will put that up here. Let's make it yellow. Like this. Paste. So I use the color picker up here, which is my favorite feature of all time, and I asked for that. They put it in and I use it religiously pretty much every single day. So if you want to make it kind of a cute, you can do something like that where it's kind of like almost like you're handwriting it, right? Let's make it match the same angle. So I will create stunning mockups for your products and sales pages. Hello, that was the easiest thing. If I wanted to move all of this down too, I could by doing that and make it a little bit centered. Oh, I missed one, but I'll add it. So just move it down. You can change the colors. You can change you. I'm just going to leave her. She's perfect. And you can use this. Boom. Now you have a graphic to add to your Fiverr account. if you want to make some extra cash, this is the way to do it. ClickDesigns makes it super easy. And then all you do is you show them the possibilities. They click, oh, I want this one right here. They send you their logo. They send you their colors. You go in here, you design it in ClickDesigns and use it and make money. And let us know. Comment in the Facebook group, hey, I did this. I actually took action. I used graphics that were already made inside of ClickDesigns. I went to Fiverr, I posted a job, and I got some gigs, and I've made money. And people are making well over $5 on Fiverr for sure. Let's go ahead and create one more thing. So I did that. I can go ahead and click use. Now, how do you find your design? Click on my design. And if you go down to thumbnails, it will be right here. If it's not there, I'm going to remind you guys to hit refresh. And then when you scroll back down, look, there is the marketing one. Here it is. So click on use, and there I will create your mockups. Right now, I did this on purpose in a blank because I'm going to create one from scratch now. And this is truly from scratch. So I'm going to click on background. I'm going to click on maybe just a color. Let's do black. And then we will go to shape. I'm going to look for some fun curvy shapes. How about this one? And kind of fill up the space like that. Turn it so it's kind of abstract, right? And then we can click on gradient colors. Let's just keep it like that. And then maybe I am someone. Let's go to image, library, uploads. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for me. And I'm just going to put this right here. And let's go ahead and take out the background, remove background, done. And I'm going to put myself down here in the corner. And then what I want to do is we're going to talk about AI, right? So let's click on text, add new layer, and put A.I really big. And I'm going to make it white. I'm going to make it really large. And then let's click on a different type of font. How about that one? That one's pretty good. Okay, so AI. And then I want to add a shadow. I love adding kind of like a haze. So let's go to the, like yellow, making it look. Oop, that did not work. Let's go to yellow. There we go. See how it's kind of futuristic? That's what I'm trying to do here, like that. Perfect. Okay, AI. So then let's create another text and go right here, add new layer and put, I will create AI images based on your needs. I don't know, something like that. I would use ChatGPT to word things. If you see how this is kind of going outside, what you could do is click on this little tiny text wrap, and then you can move this around to however you want. Let's go ahead and click white and put this, let's center it. Let's change this to that, and let's change the font. And I like the futuristic font here. So maybe I want to, not myself, move this over and put that right there. I'm going to move this, not you, you stay there. Move this down. I keep doing that. Now, if that ever happens again, you can go up here to crop and move this out so it's not so in the way, or you can use layers and move yourself around. But my goal is to put this down. There we go, like that. Okay, now let's grab some AI layers. Always hit save. And then go over here to designs. And now what we want to do is we want to create some AI stuff, right? So let's go ahead and click on AI image if you have that feature. And we can come in here and we can look. Now we can click on library and it's going to give us some stuff that it's already created. So let's go ahead and add some that definitely looks AI and looks beautiful. Let's keep going. So you don't have to create your own if you don't want. You can just take what is already inside of ClickDesigns because they have a ton and I love it. So you can just do this, right? And whatever they want, you can design and create in ClickDesigns. You can give them a handful of things to choose from. So they give you some input on what they want, and so I'm gonna make this really fast because I know we don't have much time left. I'm kind of going over time here, but you can make this look as cool as you want. So you can move that down, move that like that. And I'm trying not to do my perfectionism because I know we're crunch time here. So you can start adding as many of these images as you want. Click view more, and you're going to see there's a ton, right? So you can just line them up like this, and then click on AI, go down. I love looking at some of these. These are really cool. That one's good. Move this like this right here. So you guys understanding what I'm trying to do, right? We're making a portfolio of images that you can showcase that are AI, and you don't even have to create them. Now you can. Now I can go up here and I can click on generate, and I can say photo of mom shopping online, and just hit generate. You can click on what kind of an image you want. So maybe I want square, and you can click photographic or cinematic, whatever, and click generate image. And I can do whatever I want, right? So if I wanted to, I can click the shadow here. I can make this like a really cool blue and do that. You know, you can do whatever you want to make it look really, really cool, and you just keep adding. So let's just go here real quickly. I know we're out of time, but just keep adding a bunch of things. These are things that I've created, right? And you can do ones that you've created, do ones that I think I missed the one that I meant to. Okay, here it is. See that here's a mom that is on the computer. It's perfect. And we just add her to the mix, right? So you guys get the idea. So you can create all of the images however you want, and you know, move that down. We can crop this a little bit so it is like that. Move her right here. So you kind of get the idea, right? I'm just making a collage of different ones. It's pretty cool. Let's click save. So you get the idea. It's really, really cool how you can create this. So now I can make myself a lot bigger. Let's bring myself up above all these images. And there I am. I'm pointing to her. I'm showcasing all this stuff. Maybe I want to move this stuff over or add more. You can do whatever you want, but it is epically cool to do this, right? And if I want to really go above and beyond, I can add an arrow. So let's go over and look for arrow, and find a really cool looking arrow. So how about this one? And did it come up? I can't tell. Let's click that again. Go to shapes, go down to arrow. Oh, there it is right there. And move this like this. Make this white. Go big, kind of like that. Oops, not that. And move this a little bit more. And again, if I wanted to add a shadow, maybe that same yellow, make it kind of bigger and move it around. So you kind of see that, right? That's pretty cool. And I just love making these look amazing. So you get the idea. I will create AI images based on your needs. Post that on your Fiverr, Upwork, wherever you want. So let's go ahead and click save. And let's go ahead and close us out. Awesome. What did you guys think? Wasn't that pretty cool that you're able to make some money using ClickDesigns? Yeah, I know. Are you guys excited about that? Yeah, me too. So it's not that difficult. You just go in there. They've made it really easy. You can use it as is or change it up a little bit. You can showcase what you're able to do in ClickDesigns, and then you can offer it as a service, make money. How cool is that? Anybody gonna be up for that and try that out? Yeah, that's pretty cool. I want to see. Drop some love in the community and let us know how it's going. We want to take us along on your journey. And if you're making any money, let us know too, because that would be a really cool win for you, and it would inspire other people to take some action. So I'm going to close this out here today. Thank you for having me. My name is Angie Norris, and we are going to have a whole year of awesome trainings every Monday. So just jump on live on the YouTube channel or the Facebook group. And if you guys are loving these, you guys want to see more training? Yeah, okay, good. I'm glad, because I love being here as a power user to show you what I'm using it for and what you guys can too. So thank you for having me. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your week. Have an even better week.